As it's already evening, this is indicating only solar presence. Charging will be indicated only if more than 2 ampere charging is going on. So I'll have to check tomorrow during much more daylight. First I have to remove these screws, these two screws, so that this cap can be removed. Then only I can connect the wires here. As I do not have the inverter to be connected directly to this, I'll need to connect only this first battery. Battery has to be connected first so that the device can sense the voltage of the battery, and after that I'll have to connect the solar panel to this. Now I have removed the outer cover. I can easily connect the cables. The indicators are there, plus and minus for battery and plus and minus for the photovoltaic cell or the solar panel. This is solar panel, this is battery. This is for phase in and out. If you are connecting the grid, I am not connecting the grid. Minus an off-grid setup. Battery terminals have been connected now. As soon as the battery terminals were connected, there was a spark when the negative was connected. Now it's showing panel voltage 0, battery voltage 14. Initially there was scanning of battery voltage. This is unit 0 E today. That is there is nothing there because lead acid 12 volt auto bypass on, inverter mode off. No sunlight because I have not connected the panels. That's what is indicated there. Again, battery voltage 14, panel voltage 0, not connected. Then unit, total units earned, nothing. E today, units energy today, that's also nothing. And again, inverter mode off, auto bypass on. Those are the settings, default settings. I have not changed anything. The photovoltaic, that is the solar panel also. Note that the directions are different. Positive of this one is here, while the positive of this one is here. Two negatives are near each other. So you have to take care not to invert it. The old pulse width modulation charge controller I was using till date several months. As it's already evening, this is indicating only solar presence. Charging will be indicated only if more than 2 ampere charging is going on. So I'll have to check tomorrow during much more daylight. Completing the process, the panel cover was screwed in back again.